Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Gita Adela. I'm a student of food technology. Here, I will share my experience in learning English. During my one semester of taking this English course, I realized that the learning process I went through was not only about understanding the material, but also about my gradual personal development. Through this reflection, I want to share my learning journey, the challenges I faced, and the valuable lessons I learned during the course. Part 1. Reflection on my English performance. When I review my overall English performance, I feel quite satisfied but still recognize that there is still much room for improvement. At the beginning of the course, I felt a lack of confidence, especially when it came to speaking or expressing opinion in English. However, as time went on, I felt more motivated because I saw small but consistent progress. Some of the most challenging moments during this course when I had to speak in front of the class and do writing assignment in English. The main difficulties I faced were limited vocabulary, my pronunciation was not yet fluent, and the fear of making mistakes. These challenges often made me hesitate to actively participate. To overcome this, I started practicing independently, such as reading English texts, noting new vocabulary, and trying to stay active even though I still felt imperfect. From this experience, I gained the important insight that learning English does have to wait until you're completely perfect. The courage to try and consistency in practice are far more important. I also felt a positive change in my self-confidence, especially when I realized that mistakes are part of the learning process. My proudest moment during this course was when I successfully demonstrated an improvement in my learning outcome compared to the beginning of the course. Furthermore, my participation in class also increased, indicating that I was starting to feel more comfortable using English in academic situations. Part 2. Reflection on the course throughout the semester. Overall, this course helped me develop various English language skills, particularly in reading, writing, and understanding the context in which English is used academically. Several class assignments and activities contribute significantly to my learning process, particularly the group discussion assignment and writing exercises, which encouraged me to think critically and structured. However, I still face some difficulties, especially in speaking spontaneously and using grammar correctly. I realize that these skills still need to be improved through more intensive and continuous practice. Going forward, I want to focus more on improving my speaking fluency, expanding my vocabulary, and enhancing my academic writing skill in English. I hope to be able to use English more confidently, both in lecture context and in everyday life. Based on the learning process, active participation, and effort I have put in throughout the semester, I believe I deserve a grade of A. I base this assessment on consistent attendance, timely completion of assignment, my perceived improvement in skill, and my willingness to continue learning and improving. Through this course, I have learned that learning English is a long-term process that requires patience, courage, and consistency. This semester's experience has provided valuable resources for my continued development in the future.